Barcodes are more than just lines, they're the backbone of modern inventory management and global commerce. Understanding EAN and UPC barcodes can unlock your business potential in international markets. Businesses across Europe and Asia thrive on the 13-digit EAN barcode system for effective product tracking. In contrast, North America favors the 12-digit UPC barcode, which serves a similar but distinct function. The key difference lies not only in length but also in their regional usage and standards compliance. When you purchase barcodes from GS1, you're actually securing a global trade item number, or KIN. Your choice between EAN and UPC should align with your market. Think global, act local. The journey of barcodes began in the 1970s, revolutionizing inventory management as we know it today. With GS1's barcode standards, navigating the complexities of EAN and UPC becomes a streamlined experience. Simplifying your barcode implementation with the right tools can pave your way to effortless inventory control.